Hello guys, I hope everyone are doing great there and myself Archana am of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering pursuing my graduation in 7th sem of EC domain. So today let us discuss about real-time systems which comes under the subject code of 18 EC 731. So here we are discussing about real-time systems and few applications where the real-time system is being actually applied in few of the industries. So today let us discuss about two industries which is automotive as well as aerospace. So before going to the actual topic, let us simply discuss about what is meant by real-time systems. So real-time embedded systems are designed and installed to carry out specific tasks within a predefined time limit. They are further divided into two different types and they are soft real-time embedded system. For this system, the completion of task is paramount importance where the deadline is not priority. Whereas coming to an hard real-time embedded system, this system prioritize deadlines so they shouldn't be missed in any case. So here we can see the actual difference between what is meant by soft real-time systems and hard real-time systems. Both will be depending upon the deadline. So in the soft real-time embedded systems, the priority is not at all so the priority will not be given for the time limits or the any deadline, whereas in hard real time, so the first major factor where the real time the two and hard real time system will be depending upon the deadline. So if any task that should be completed before the deadline in the hard real-time systems. And a few examples of real-time embedded systems are sound system of a computer, aircraft control system, flight control system, real-time monitors. So why I'm mentioning embedded system here? So whatever the real-time systems are being evolved in this scenario or in this generation, so the embedded system is an actual basic platform that will be used for developing any of the prototype or any of the operation in any of the industries. So embedded system is an actually very vast as well as and very useful and important and majorly required for creating any of the real-time operating systems here. And coming to the first industry, which will be aerospace, and here the real-time embedded software in aerospace applications. So let us briefly discuss about aerospace application where the real-time system is being involved. So real-time operating system, which is wisely known as RTOS, is an operating system designed for real-time applications and environments where many events must be processed in a very short period of time and with specific deadlines also. An RTOS is typically found in airline traffic control system, command control system, hard pacemakers, etc. In aerospace and defense industries, the real-time embedded systems are critical for the successful operation of complex systems. These systems are used in wide range of applications including navigation, communication, surveillance, control and weapon system. So the main important things are the main major wide range of applications that will be included in aerospace or navigation, communication, surveillance, control and weapon system. Why? Because the main thing the real-time system has been used in aerospace is for defense purpose as well as for the traveling or for controlling the overall operation of any of the aerospace things. So this is about the real-time embedded software in aerospace application. So coming to the so as you can see, the aerospace RTOs where the real-time operating system is being involved as well as it is an part of an any aircraft or any aerospace also what are the prototypes or machines as well. So here each and every part has its own specific functions as well as it has its own task also where each and every task it should be completed within the given deadline also. So the major use of this aerospace RTOS or aerospace application where the RTOS is been included are first one is for navigation and the task which has been assigned from like control system should be completed within the deadline, and for accuracy like indirectly it may help for the efficiency also, and for navigation safety purpose and many more. So coming to the next industry, automotive industry I'm going to take here, and the real-time system is being used even in the automotive industries also. So let us look after what is meant by an automotive electronics, and how the automotive development is being using the RTOS, nothing, that is nothing but a real-time operating system. For automotive development, and real-time operating system is software that enables critical features in a car to run with minimal latency, whereas the operating system or OS on a home computer or smartphone can generally provide a good experience even with pauses between inputs and the device reacting. This would be frustrating or dangerous for many auto functions also. An increasing number of vehicles features become software controlled, assuring in an era of software defined vehicles, a dependable RTOS of automotive has become essential. The introduction of sophisticated advanced driver assistance system, which is known as ADAS, has meant that a fast reaction to environmental factors is now critical to safety. And adaptive cruise controls must act as also to immediately as possible if it detects, for example, a slowing or a stationary vehicle ahead in the same lane. More autonomous features are being added to vehicles, to which operating the automotive autos just a driver must be attentive, and immediately he should take what are the surrounding conditions that will be given in the environmental, and then he should precisely take what are the decisions that can be taken from the driver to control any of the automotive electronics in the present scenario. So now let's going to what is actually meant by automotive RTOS. So here the RTOS, that is nothing but the real-time operating system, is being involved in automotive electronics as well as automotive development also. So an embedded system is a computer system that is designed to perform a specific task within a larger system. In the automotive industry, embedded systems are used to control and monitor various functions of a vehicle. These systems are composed of hardware and software that work together to perform a specific function. For example, automotive embedded systems include engine control units, brake system, and infotainment system. So as we can see that, so embedded system that can be used in very large industries as well. So the best example here, it is nothing but an automotive electronics or automotive industry. So here there are large number of electronics or electronic vehicles will be created. So here the embedded system, where the real-time operating system is been very useful as well as very precisely used also here. So the embedded system, that is nothing but the hardware as well as software real-time operating systems or an embedded system should work together in order to get an efficient as well as an proper and a perfect electric vehicle or an electronic gadgets or automotive electronics here. And the main function or the main use of this using embedded systems in an automotive electronics are nothing but for control units, brake system, and as well as the controlling the overall operation of any of the electronic automotive electronics here. So these things or this embedded system should work precisely, as well as it should work the task, whatever the task that will be assigned for an embedded system, so it should be working, and it should be it should give the output within the deadline, so that the whatever the operation and whatever the functions that is been like whatever the functions or operations that will be going on with the any of the automotive electronics, then it can work together, and where it give an output in a very efficient way. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep supporting me. Please do like, share, subscribe, as well as view my channel. And you may get some informative ideas as well as informative information from my channel. So it may help for your career as well as for your studies as well. So I will be just giving the notes in my description also. You can go through those videos as well as you can go through those notes, so that you can prepare for well for your competitive exams as well as for your main exams also. Thank you.